My name is Laura Morcheski, and I'm a Master Gardener for Itasca County, and I have been a Master Gardener for 5 years now. So the Reamer Community Garden is the biggest giving garden in the state. Anyone who's hungry can stop here on Thursdays and get food. We started this 4 years ago, and it was during COVID, so we took advantage of the at-home projects, and we have now got 15 residents that are a part of this garden. And some of the gardeners here are food shelf recipients as well, and we give them their plot for free, and we help them garden. When we put the apple orchard in, we had 10 different businesses give us $100 towards apple trees, and it didn't take more than a couple days to get that. The school has helped us make raised beds. We've had the school out here picking. One of our seed trials, we had 250 delicata squash that we didn't know what to do with. We found out that the school lunch program, kids love squash. They took them all, and they used it for the school lunch program. So that was kind of cool. So the Reamer area is located in a part of northern Minnesota that's pretty food deprived as far as fresh produce. It's an hour almost every direction for shopping. So to learn how to grow your own food and to learn that it's possible and that you don't need to have a huge garden is a big deal. We started the garden because we just thought it was beautiful, and we thought maybe we could make an impact on the community. And it has made an impact on the community, from kids to 85-year-olds.